This is the hour, the darkest place. Dante's Inferno, the devil's maze. It's a good world, good world gone bad.
Okay, today we're going to talk about improvised weapons, specifically one that you probably have on you right now and that you probably carry with you every day, you're not even realizing it, and that is the credit card. They cause people millions of dollars of debt every year, but I'm going to show you how to use one in a pinch to create havoc on someone who may be trying to do you harm. Okay, when we're talking about striking with a credit card, obviously you're going to want to go for the fleshy parts of the face if possible, or the neck. So cheekbones are fair game, neck is a great target, even the forehead is not bad even though it's bony. You strike that with a credit card and open up that flesh, the head is super vascular, so that person's are going to bleed down into their eyes and it's going to cause a lot of vision problems. That's going to give you the chance to either run away or fight back more effectively. For this demonstration, I'm not going to use a real credit card, I'm just going to use a gift card because it's made the same material. And I don't want to ruin my credit card when I'm doing that. If you got your credit card on you right now, go ahead and pull it out. I'll show you how to hold this thing to turn it into a weapon. Okay, what you're going to do is you want to cup the card in your hand and provide some rigidity to it. And you're going to do that by putting a little curve to it in your palm. Once you got that curve there, you're going to place this thumb along that seam right there that you've created. So it'll look like this. On the other side, you've got this little leading edge, and that's where all the damage is going to come from, because you've got rigidity applied to the card and your thumb along the back so it won't slip out the back once you're striking. That right there is what's going to shovel out flesh. One caveat to this would of course be that if you're trained in martial arts or you have a gun or a knife to defend yourself, of course you want to use that in place of a credit card. Alright, when you're striking with a credit card in your hand, you're going to want to use the hammer strike, which is a pretty natural motion when you're in self-preservation mode. So whether it's the head you're striking for, the cheeks, or the neck, or somewhere else, try and use a hammer strike. You're going to be less effective trying to come in from the side and things like that. To help us out with the demonstration, and also because I don't want to tear up my dummy, I got some homemade ballistic gel here to help us out. So if you got a better idea on how to attach ballistic gel to a dummy, leave a note in the comments. I'll move this guy up higher just so you guys can see how it'll work. I got it taped onto his chest, see the impact with the hammer strike and then what it does to the simulated human flesh. So there you go. Alright, here we go. I wouldn't recommend starting any fights with a credit card in your hand, but this is just something to get you thinking outside the box on how everyday items can be used as weapons, and it's something that makes you a little more dangerous and hard to kill. If you liked the video, hit the like button, leave us a comment, and be sure and subscribe. We'll see you next time.